Have you ever felt weaker than usual? Maybe your muscles feel tired after simple activities? But what if I told you certain foods, yes, everyday foods you might be eating, could actually be weakening your muscles without you even realizing it? Or perhaps your body doesn't recover as quickly as before. And don't worry, I'll also share what to eat instead, so you can rebuild your strength naturally. Most people blame age, stress, or lack of exercise. Today, we're exposing the shocking truth about 5 common foods that could be silently damaging your muscles, draining your strength, and slowing your recovery. Let's get started. First, let's understand the problem. Muscle weakness isn't always about age or activity. Sometimes, it's about what you're feeding your body every day. Certain foods can increase inflammation, slow down nutrient absorption, disrupt muscle recovery, and even trigger muscle breakdown over time. Keeping your muscles hydrated helps prevent cramps and speeds up recovery. If you're over 40 or noticing slower recovery and weaker muscles, paying attention to your diet is more important than ever. These foods digest too quickly, giving your body a sugar spike followed by a crash. When your muscles don't get sustained energy, they feel tired and weak. Worse, refined carbs promote fat storage and inflammation. This includes items like sausages, bacon, deli meats, and hot dogs. Oils like soybean oil, corn oil, and sunflower oil are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While small amounts are fine, a diet high in these oils creates an imbalance that promotes inflammation throughout your body, including your muscles and joints. Over time, this inflammation weakens your muscles and slows healing. Replace it with fresh juices, lemon water, or electrolyte drinks after physical activity. These support your body's anti-inflammatory response, helping your muscles stay calm and ready to grow. These provide lasting energy and help your muscles perform and recover more efficiently. Why are they harmful? Processed meats contain high amounts of sodium, preservatives like nitrates, and saturated fats. Together, they increase inflammation inside your body. While an occasional drink may not harm your muscles, regular alcohol consumption slows down protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscles. Alcohol also dehydrates your body and drains essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, both crucial for muscle function. Chronic inflammation makes your muscles more prone to stiffness, weakness, and slow repair. Additionally, processed meats lack the essential amino acids your muscles actually need to rebuild. Now, let's reveal the first muscle-damaging food. These support muscle repair without flooding your body with harmful chemicals. First on the list, processed meats. What's the solution? Switch to lean, fresh protein sources, like grilled chicken, turkey, fish, or plant-based proteins, such as lentils and chickpeas. Give it the right fuel, and it will reward you with better energy, stronger muscles, and a healthier, more active life. Next, sugary drinks. Yes, those sodas, sweet teas, and even so-called healthy energy drinks can silently drain your strength. Sugary drinks spike your blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance over time. Don't worry, the key is awareness. Start by gradually removing 1 or 2 of these foods from your daily meals. Replace them with natural, muscle-friendly options. Focus on this affects how your muscles absorb glucose, their primary source of energy. Plus, sugary drinks promote fat gain, which can further slow down your muscles and joints. Instead, hydrate your muscles with water, coconut water, or infused herbal teas. Think white bread, pastries, cookies, and most breakfast cereals. Third, refined carbohydrates. Choose whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. The simple fix. Number 4, excessive alcohol. To protect your muscles, limit alcohol to special occasions or moderate amounts. And now, the 5th food that may shock you. Certain vegetable oils. Instead, switch to healthier fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and small amounts of coconut oil. So, let's recap the 5 common foods that may be silently weakening your muscles. Processed meats, sugary drinks, refined carbohydrates, excessive alcohol, inflammatory vegetable oils. Now, I know what you're rethinking. I've been eating some of these foods for years. Fresh, lean proteins, hydrating, sugar-free drinks, whole grains, healthy fats, and of course, plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Making small changes daily can protect your muscles, restore your strength, and help you recover faster after physical activity. Remember, your body is always trying to heal itself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Tell me in the comments, were you surprised by any of these foods? Which ones will you avoid from now on? Stay strong, stay healthy, and take care of your body every single day.